Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Olojani Senkunku. I'm the who I am. I'm Professor Olojani Senkunku. I'm the first Doctor of Philosophy in International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy. I'm Laura Kwachita, International Petroleum, Minerals, Energy, attorney, expert, and a diplomat of United Nations. As everybody knows that I'm the first no Masonic, no gay, and no married Secretary General of United Nations. Which my nationality? My nationality, I'm from Congo. Okay, as everybody, we were in the West, we work in the West, we contribute in many economies around the world. In this spirit, they gave me the nationality of Canada. But since I ran Secretary General, I removed it. Since I said after I work for international, I have to go home, so I remove it. I remove it. So I'm Congo. I'm Congo. I'm proud to be Congo. I didn't ask American passport, and I never will be American citizen. I didn't ask a Swiss passport. I never will be a Swiss citizen. I never ask a French passport because the passport reflects the mentality, the behavior of the country. When you look France, when you look many European countries, when you look Canada, how Canada behave toward me, US behave, they want to kill my mother, I said never. When Swiss make me sleep, it's very cold, okay, but I came to contribute again because people need my voice. So I never will get domestic passport, I'm international. But domestic passport, you did it in secret, okay, your plan was you kidnap me or you put me in the trap. After that, you will use this passport is already ready. You an expert, but I said your passport, domestic passport for any country, okay, except African passport. African passport of courtesy, me to travel. Except that, but it's not only those the country that wrong my exes. I never will accept your passport. Okay, I have a principle. I want all people that remind all people that I'm Congolese. I'm proud to be from Congo, because Congo is my country. I never will be Switzerland. And if I want it, look, the Department of Foreign Affairs were in 1996, Bern, you can see, Bern declared that I'm intelligent, super intelligent, you see. Then you can see, oh, c'est de l'orgueil, je m'en fous. Moi, je suis Saint-Michel Archange. You be humble, but me no. When Rothschild make virus to kill people, they were not humble. Why me? I have to be. When Barack Obama and others went to kill my mother, Sassou, they were not humble. And Ruto and others. Why me? I have to be humble. Monseigneur, je ne serai jamais humble. Je suis le meilleur de ma génération, pas seulement de la génération, mais parmi les générations passées et les générations futures. Je suis le meilleur. Ok, c'est bien écrit ici. La Suisse, le département des affaires étrangères, écrit ça. Toute l'Europe écrit ça. C'est l'Europe de 27. C'est dit que il est intelligent. Ça y est là. Ça y est là, monseigneur. Ok, c'est le drapeau de l'Europe est là. Et puis, depuis le Canada, je suis recommandé à la Cour suprême du Canada. Donc, ce n'est pas la petite cour, ok? La cour suprême du Canada. La Cour suprême du Canada, ça. Aujourd'hui, je suis le patron de la Cour internationale de justice parce que j'ai été élu secrétaire général des Nations Unies. Okay? When Europe recognizes I'm intelligent, they recommend me not to small court, not the court of New York, not the court of province, but they recommend me in the Supreme Court of Canada, Supreme Court. Okay, I had an interview with the judge Lebel, le judge Lebel. J'avais interview. Ensuite, je vais travailler avec l'ancienne. Je vais travailler avec Louise Arbour. Louise Arbour, la procureure de la CPI. Louise Arbour. I will work with Louise Arbour, okay, to put in the place the international bar of a barrister and the lawyer, the system of defense of abuse of ICC because they politicize ICC. Today I'm the chief of International Court of Justice because I'm elected Secretary General of United Nations. I'm the boss of ICC. I'm the boss of International Court of Justice. So I'm not going to be humble. Je suis le meilleur dans tous les domaines, là. Dans plusieurs domaines. Je suis le meilleur. Okay? They try by mistreating me. They try to hide the black excellence. They try, even if Barack Obama tried to get credit what I did, but Barack Obama cannot introduce himself. Donald Trump will ask him the birth certificate. And Donald Trump too is leaving the power. The Constitution doesn't leave, even if Rothschild decide. Rothschild decide Kamala to be there, but Kamala didn't win. So if Donald Trump, they decide that to run for the third, the Constitution doesn't allow you. So I'm worried about Janine Pirro. I'm worried about Tulsi Gabbard. How Democrat will treat them if I don't sit at New York. But first of all, Sri Lanka. People of Sri Lanka are suffering. I took a commitment that people of Sri Lanka should have prosperity, economic prosperity. The mama came to support me with the badge. I never forget you, mama and shushu for Sri Lanka, Tamil. You came to support me. Not because you support me, but my heart, my commitment to humanity come from God. That depend on the passport of Swiss, passport of America. They want to make secret. We reject that. We never will have a domestic war until international, and my work is for me. Donald Trump don't take credit. Barack Obama don't use Donald Trump to take credit, and Annalena to take credit of my work for Cuba, for everywhere, for Sahrawi. It's me. It's very cold, but I came. Barack Obama, Trump, you never been in the cold like this. I didn't eat last night. Okay, I didn't eat last night. I didn't. I sleep outside, but this morning I came because many people are suffering. I came to tell them that le mal ne va jamais gagner. Même ceux qui ont trahi Dieu, qui travaillent pour à manger et l'argent pour le mal ne va jamais gagner. The devil never will win. Only the child of God will win. Only God will win. And keep hope. Woman, men, children, keep hope. The devil, the wrong, the evil never will win. Only God will win. Okay? And every time I say that I'm transparent, I ask to U.S. member of Congress to tell the animal, don't approach me. You fail to put me injection so that to get in love with you. You fail because when you smile, when you look at me, when you, Barack Obama, you smile, your mood is dégueulasse. It's dégueulasse because your mood, you eat anus of men and women. You started in Didi House, and you went around the world, Kenya, and you eat the anus of men and women. Your mood is dégueulasse. And your mood also, and les oreilles sont comme un éléphant. Métis, mais tu es vilain, comme le Harry, comme Harry. Regardez-moi, je suis noir et je suis beau. Et je suis intelligent, c'est écrit là. Toute l'Europe, le Sarkozy et Hegel, on dit les Allemands, on dit que l'idée absolue n'a jamais visité l'Afrique. Allez lire La raison dans l'histoire de Hegel, Friedrich Hegel. Allez lire David Hume. J'ai fait toute l'Europe, mais je n'ai jamais vu un noir intelligent. Mais curieusement, les 27 pays d'Europe se réunissent et déclarent un noir intelligent. Ça y est là. Ça y est là. Ça y est là. Kunku. OK? Et puis ils m'ont recommandé à la Cour suprême du Canada. Ouais? La Cour suprême du Canada. How someone is known by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court can sleep outside. They deny food. How someone was in Supreme. And also, I lead the Supreme Court of the United States of America. I stood for the Judge Janine Pirro, Chief John Robert. I stood for Sotomayor. I stood Judge Sotomayor, the Judge Jackson, the Judge, my ancestor Thomas Clarence. So Supreme Court. So I get out now from domestic court. I'm the chief, because I'm elected UN chief, I'm the chief of International Court of Justice of United Nations. I'm the chief of ICC now. So I told now, look what Obama came to do when they put fire in Tanzania. And this is Ayola. There are 4 cakes here. You can see four cake. Okay, this is a 4 cake. There are many men that Obama can go to fall in love. Okay, me, I'm not gay. And Leviticus 18:22 is very clear. I never get gay. Never associate this dirty to my responsibility, international responsibility. For 5 years, they try to do, oh no, the notation is 1999, so it remains just one to be gay and to meet the condition of UN chief. Who told you that? Oh non, la notation c'est 999, il manque juste un gay, de gay, 4 gays pour être élu secrétaire général. Moi, j'étais élu. La charte ne prévoit pas ça, être gay. Charles, this is 4 cake. Donc, you are telling me